Hey Steve, how's it going?
Gary, it's awful. How do you think it's going?
Isn't it nice to get out of that crowded box with those other guys? I feel like I can breathe out here.
Well, enjoy it, because it ain't gonna last.
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? He's gonna eat us.
Shut up. He looks like a nice guy.
Well, looks can be deceiving, Gare Bear.
I don't believe you. Well, what's he doing with the water over there? Is he turning the fire on? No.
Yes.
He's building us a hot tub?
What's up guys, welcome back to the Cheesy Does It Cooking Vlog. Today we're making crab cakes with fresh crabs. To start, we're going to build our binding agent. First, we need to chop some veggies. Here I have celery, green onion, and garlic. Mince these up into fine pieces. Next, we need to cook our live crab. The quickest and most painless way to kill a crab is by cutting off its nervous system. Underneath this sheath lays the central nervous system. It's like the brain. The goal is to penetrate this quickly with a knife, then throw it into the boil. Upon contact, the crab will lose all feeling of pain and will die within seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cut the nervous system into the boil. It's as close to flipping a switch as possible when it comes to a clean, painless death. Okay, back to the video. Cook your crab for about 5 minutes per pound. When finished, add it to a bowl of cold water. This will keep it from overcooking.
Come on, Gary. Don't look at me like that.
Once cooled, we need to crack and peel the crab meat. Fortunately, I always keep willful volunteer crab pickers outside my door at all times.
Here. You know what to do.
What? What do you want me to do?
Do it.
In a bowl, add your minced veggies, zest in some lemon, then squeeze in half the juice. Seeds are optional. Mayonnaise splooge, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, cayenne, and some paprika. Then to bind it all together, we need to add a beaten egg. But first, let's check on our crab.
So, how's it going? Okay then.
Look, there he is.
Hey Brian, how's it going?
Give me your money or I'll beat you up.
No, not again. Please.
You have 3 seconds.
I have a family. Little
1,
baby eggs.
2,
with
3.
hopes and dreams. No!
My parents never loved me. Add your beaten egg to the mix and shake it all together. Next, we're gonna add our crab that was finally peeled after what seemed like hours. When folding the crab together, be gentle because you don't want to break apart the large lumps of crab meat. Add in panko breadcrumbs. You want to add in just enough to give it some body to where it will stick together. I usually like to add some, mix a little, gauge the texture, then add some more to get the right consistency. That's about right. Now you should form your mixture into cakes and put it in the fridge to firm up for 30 minutes. This will help keep it all together while cooking. I didn't do this because I'm an idiot and way underqualified to be teaching people how to cook. So do as I say and not as I do. In a large nonstick pan, heat up some butter. Then add in your cakes and give them a little press so they make full contact for even browning. Cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Now this is where the refrigeration tip would have come in handy because I flipped these off camera and they all fell apart. So you're about to see an Amy Schumer-sized train wreck. Yeah. Fortunately, I was able to salvage this into a somewhat presentable cake that actually turned out really good. This sauce here is a homemade aioli made with mayonnaise, horseradish, mustard, and some lemon juice. However, I really pooped my britches deciding to put this on a plate instead of in a small bowl. It looks like a giant sperm whale.
That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look us up. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Does It Cooking. Guys, I have a confession to make. Those crab cakes were really delicious. However, I wasn't a big fan of the celery, so the next time I'm probably gonna take that celery out.
Yeah, you really suck at this.
That was excruciating.
Alright, that's it. That's it.
JK, it was just a yolk. It was just a yolk.
Hold on tight a little longer. What don't kill you make you stronger. Get back up and sit some.
Alright, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Alright, that's it. That's it. That's it.